First case first, chalk your wheels. In my case, use whatever you have. In this case, it's a pickaxe and a chunk of aluminum tube. I don't know if you're gonna see this or if I'm gonna see this. There's the cable. Here it goes. Goes through this mess of shit. Is the cable junk or is it just the clip? I think it's just the clip. There. Alright, that's where it grips. I don't know if you're getting all this. Let's do the bare minimum. There, that goes like that. It looks like it's on. I don't know if you can see it.